You see we have a bunch of different categories, so you can go to cameras, see the different cameras that we have. If you can add it to the bag, that'll put it into your cart. Then whenever you go to check out, you're going to want to apply your discount. So free shipping is for everybody over $50. But if you're in a different loyalty level, it will show right up there. It'll look just like this. If you're, say, a silver member, copy that loyalty_silver. And then whenever you go to checkout, you're going to want to use that as your promo code. So you can ship it. You can have pick up here in our Stafford location, put in all of your shipping information. You can drop ship, but then paste that discount code right there in the discount code or gift card and hit apply, and you'll get that extra 2%, 5%, or 10% depending on the level you're at with just loyalty underscore and the level that you're at. If you put in loyalty platinum, but you're not a platinum level, it's not going to let you apply that code. It's going to be invalid. So you always want to make sure you use the one that shows on your profile.